Mr. Hagelberger here. What? No, I'm not coming in. It's my day off, just as I forecasted. What? No, I don't see why the weather has to be shown every day. You can't put her on. She can't tell the difference between a hurricane or a cyclone. Fine, I'll come in. Oh, sugar. Hey, you can't see that. That's my car. That's my car.
Hey, you okay? What's wrong? Cat got your tongue?
No. He's got my flipping car. Cat just stole my car.
Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
The name Klaus Sharpe, occupation cat burglar. I've decided to begin documenting my condition. Since the accident, the number of transmogrifications has readily increased. Before I continue, I best start from the beginning. Studying the arts of physics, I took on the challenge of solving one of science's greatest mysteries, the Schrödinger equation. For this purpose, I had constructed a perfectly square box out of computer parts and discarded condom wrappings. Ironically, it proved insufficient protection from what happens next. Using the rare chemical, miltonium, I planned to prove my theory. I was obsessed. My father called me a fool. My mother called me a madman. My girlfriend called me an arborist. She wasn't the brightest spark, but I wasn't going to let their petty misgivings prevent me from achieving my goal. My attention was suddenly drawn to a small hairy child rapping on the windowpane. He had black and white hair, pointy ears, sharp nails and a pink nose. A closer inspection revealed he was a cat. He seemed a particularly gregarious type of feline, his shining eyes pleading to let him in. Disregarding my former tutor Winston Einbrecher's advice regarding pets in the lab.
Pets are like women. They look nice around the house, but they have no place in the lab, in the lab, in the lab, in the lab, in the lab.
The advice was sound. Well, not the sexist part, but the animals part was okay.
meow,
Come here, little guy.
meow, meow. Meow.
His black hair was as soft as something black, fluffy. I'm a physicist, not a poet. Are you hungry, little fella?
Meow, meow, meow.
Okay, I've got some food for you.
Oh, meow.
I'm afraid all I have is a jar of pink.
Meow. Meow. Meow, meow.
It was clear to me that we would become inseparable,
Meow, meow.
but I hadn't realised that would be in a literal kiss.
Hmm? Meow. Oh, wow. Meow.
My new friend disappeared. To my surprise, so had my wallet.
Meow, meow, meow. 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 Oh, nice. Meow, 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 meow.
A bright light flooded the room. It could only have come from a single source. The Schrödinger box. Taking the correct precautions, I investigated the malfunction. To my dismay, this resulted in an accident of catastrophic proportions. I awoke, condazed and fused. Everything was bright, and I noticed I was on a park bench. I was surrounded by knickknacks, not the corn snacks. Odd ends, bits and pieces, a mystery assortment. The only factor linking this collection. I did not own them. In my cloud of befuddlement, I noticed a young couple enjoying a picnic. This was nothing of interest, except they got up at some point and went for a stroll. Then I noticed that they had left their basket. A strange feeling overcame my person. My mind focused, and a driving desire manifested itself. It was like that time when I was 12 and saw Mrs. Henderson next door sunbathing, but it was different. A noise began to reverberate in my head, like an annoying ringtone. It was incessant, and I knew somehow I had to get rid of it. I knew. It's obvious to even the most dull layman. My DNA had combined with that cat, and this unnatural union of genes expresses itself as a desire to take what is not mine. In addition, this abnormal obsession also manifests itself in not only a physical transmorphing into a felis catus, but also the reawakening of that vivacious cat I had unwillingly assimilated. The only way to tame the kitten within. I must steal.
Meow, 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 meow.
What the Fahrenheit is this? Stop struggling. I'm not planning to hurt you. I just need to find out what you are. Oh, you're some kind of furry, small person. Wait a minute. Hang on. You're a cat. But I'm allergic to cats. Where did he go?
Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Meow, meow, meow.
Cat's got mouth tongue.
That was Wesker's Close. What will I do with this?
I'm coming for you! I'm gonna kill you! I'm gonna turn you into a violin and play the worst music in the world on you, you stupid! You stupid cat! Is that my Cloudy? My glasses, but how would you? Oh, you retrieved these from that cat that went by, didn't you? Well, what is your name? Oh, cat got your tongue. But thank you. Now, whenever I tell the weather, it'll be just a clear day for me, no matter what. Thank you.
I guess you're coming home with me. That was too close. No more stealing valuables from me.